Let's see. Can you do handrail? Up. Can you turn it? Rub it. Clever girl.
Upsy daisy, Dad.
Upsy daisy.
Could try a bit hard.
Is it a bit hard?
Yeah.
Oh well, if you keep practicing you'll be able to do it, won't you?
I don't know. I'm not making my flower.
You're making a flower in the muck?
Yes. And the plants are season, those are season.
Oh wow.
This yours one, Dad.
Oh, thank you.
Make a flower.
Make a flower?
Yeah.
I can't really make a flower with that, can I?
You put it in there and you know how to dig it? Dig it like this. Dig it like that.
Dig it like that?
Yeah.
What about if we put some leaves together?
Then we'll take a more.
What have you found? Oh, that's a seed. Is it growing as well? Let's see. Oh wow. Can you see the little shoots coming out? That's going to grow. That might grow into a big tree.
Yes, yours one.
Wow.
Yes, your little leaves make a flower. Then you know that I don't make all my more. I didn't make my more. I didn't make them with more.
You're making it with muck?
Yeah.
Well, that's clever.
Make a flower with. Make a flower together.
We're making a flower together?
Yeah. Baby.
There you go, there's a flower.
No, put inside it.
Okay.
Then put in. Touch it.
What are you doing, Patch?
Yeah. That's story, Dad. That's how Dad. Yeah, someday. What's my seeds? What's my seeds? What's my seeds? Little one? What's my seeds, little one?
There it is, there, look.
No. How was my seed? It's missing.
Is it missing? Is this what you mean?
No, that's a nut.
What's that? The beech nut?
Yeah. No.
The squirrels have got all the nuts inside, haven't they?
Where's my seed?
I don't know where your seeds are.
I will find out. Find it.
Happy birthday to Grandad.
It's almost, Dada.
It is all muck. You got your hands dirty?
Yep, it's tipping is wild.
Are you doing a hand drill?
Yeah, with it.
Can you do it?
I don't know.
Can you rub the stick between your hands?
Some more. Yeah. No, I'm just making.
Are we going to have some soup?
No, you don't wait. Take up. No, not a picture.
You don't want me to take a picture?
No.
Okay then.
No. No, not a picture.
Okay, I'm not taking a picture anymore.